going to be doing a kind of a winter glam. I'm going to be doing a lot of whites and blues, kind of just to tie in with a winter look. So I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. I haven't done my review on this palette yet, so that will be coming in the future after this Christmas series is done. But it is a really gorgeous palette. It looks like this, and I'm going to be focusing on the blues in this palette. And I also really want to play with that white, because that white, when he swatched it, seemed like it was really amazing and really great. So I am going to use this palette today, and hopefully I like it. I don't know. So I'm excited, but I've used it a couple times. I used the green and the red in the past videos, but I'm not going to do my review or impression on it in this video, because I want to have that as a separate video and actually go in and do some swatches with it and see what I actually think, because while I'm using this palette in all of the other videos, I'm not really focusing on how well the eyeshadows are working. I'm just kind of doing the look and going as fast as I can, because I have like 7 more videos to film for this series, and it's go time because we're already at, what day is it today? The 9th of December. My God. All right, so for today's video, I want to do like a really glamorous winter kind of look. So I'm going to go in with my double-ended Lexi brush, and I'm going to go into the color Playground, which is a kind of like a dark blue, and it's really pretty. And I'm going to put that all in my crease. Now I am, how do I want to do this? I'm going to go, oh my God, I'm dropping things. I'm going to go into the color Brother, which is like a darker blue, and I'm just going to put that right underneath in the same crease. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 08, and I'm going to cut my crease. And now I'm going to go back into the color Playground, and I'm just going to blend. So we have a little bit of a whiter base to work with. Now I want to go into, I'm going to go into my eyeshadow side. So I'm going to go into the color Flashback, which is like that white that he has, and I'm going to put it right in the inner corner. Honestly, it's just a white. I don't really know what I was expecting, but putting the white in the inner corner and blending it into that blue. And then I want to go into the color Cola, and I'm just going to put that right in the center. And then I'm going to go back into Playground. Just blend those colors together. And back into Brother. Blend them even more. And then back into Acapella. For some reason, Acapella is stinging my eye. I don't know why. I've never had an eyeshadow sting before. Now, I'm gonna go into the color Hello and it's like a really like a sky blue shimmer color. So I'm gonna put that right over top of that white. And then I'm gonna go back into Capella. Now I'm gonna go back into Playground and just bring out my inner crease colors a little bit more. And then back into Brother. We have something fun like that. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. All right, so I have both my eyes done and I put the foundation and bronzer on. So now we just have to do the under eyes. So I am gonna go in with the same colors that I used before. So I'm gonna go in with Playground on a pretty small brush, and I'm going to sweep that underneath my eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with the color Brother, just on the outer and inner corners. And then with the fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend them all together. And the eye portion is done for the shadow. So now I'm going to zoom you guys in and we're gonna do some liner. So I'm gonna go in with the Sex Kitten Liner by Tarte Cosmetics. And now I'm gonna go into Scandal Eyes by Rimmel. I'm just gonna do my waterline. So I'm gonna go in with the Lashaholic lashes that we got in our BoxyCharm this month. And waiting for that to dry. I was gonna do Frosty the Snowman tonight, but I did Rudolph and then Dead Rudolph earlier. And I still kind of have latex in my hair, and I just didn't want to get all body painted up tonight. So, next week. Now I'm gonna go into my Anastasia, whatever, however you say it, in Beverly Hills highlight with the Amrezy collaboration, and I'm gonna go in with my highlight brush. A little glow with the Butter London highlight. Why do I say Butter London? Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula highlight. With my nose and my cupid's bow. What kind of lip should we do? I don't know if we should do blue or if we should do, I feel like blue might be a little bit too much. So maybe we'll do a nude. We're gonna go in with Can't Relate by Jeffree Star. Just a quick little nude because we want the eyes to be the main focus of this eye look. So now I'm gonna quickly go grab a wig and I will be right back to show you guys the finished look. So this is the finished look. So this was just a really fun kind of wintry Christmas glam look. So I will zoom you guys in so you guys can see the eyes up close. So I think it's really pretty, it's really fun, it's really just kind of like a winter kind of look, and I think it's really gorgeous. I'm really excited with how it turned out. I think it's really pretty. I had a lot of fun just playing around with the James Charles palette. It is a really cool palette. My review on it is coming, so I hope you guys stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys are enjoying the random glam looks that I throw in this series, and I hope you guys are enjoying all the special effects that I've been doing in the body paints for this Christmas series, and it's just been a whole lot of fun and a lot of work, but it's really cool. So I'm really happy that a lot of people are enjoying it, and a lot of people have messaged me just being like, holy crap, I can't believe you've done so many videos and you're so on it and you've been doing it for 25 days straight. That's so crazy, and it's just been a lot of fun. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I will see you guys at my next one. Bye.